Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we are putting together this delicious meatloaf. And guess what? We're gonna make it in the slow cooker. I can't wait to show you how easy this is to put together. Come on, let's get started. And here are the ingredients we're gonna need for our slow cooker meatloaf. You're gonna need some ketchup, of course. We have some A1 sauce, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, also some garlic powder, 1 egg. I'm going to need some ground beef. I'm using the ground beef chuck today, along with some turkey sausage. So these are my two ground meats of choice. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. As you can see, we have went ahead and pre-prepped all of our ingredients. And one thing I forgot to mention, you're going to need a slow cooker to cook your meatloaf in. And you're also going to need a loaf pan. And this loaf pan, we're just going to insert right into our slow cooker. And it's going to cook our meat nice and slow. And you could be doing something else, getting your other dishes prepared. And the slow cooker is going to cook your main dish, which is your meatloaf. So let's go ahead and get everything put together and get our meatloaf started. We're going to go ahead and get all our meats into a bowl. And that's our ground beef and our turkey sausage. I'm only going to use half the pack of turkey sausage. Get that right in there. And I'm going to be using my hands today. I'm first going to get my turkey sausage incorporated with my beef. Okay, once we have that all incorporated, we simply going to take all our spices and just add it right in. So we have our minced onion. This is our garlic powder. And this is our Italian seasoning. This is our A1 sauce, amping up those flavors. And lastly, before we get started, we're going to add 1 egg. We're just going to get in here with our hands and get it well mixed. You want this flavor to be all through your meat. And just because I like to add a little sazon to my dishes, I'm just going to add a little, about a half a pack of the sazon. So take a look at our meat. Everything is well incorporated. And it's ready for the slow cooker. So now we're just going to take our meat and add it to our loaf pan. So we're going to make sure that we spread it out. So now we need to add a topping to our meatloaf. In this container, I have a tablespoon of brown sugar, and I have 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. And I'm going to add those two together. Stir those up. And please don't forget to taste before you add it to your meat. I have some Italian seasoning here. It's just the salad dressing seasoning. We're going to add, I'm not measuring this, I'm just adding just a pinch or two. right, let me give it a taste. That is good, but I'm gonna add some more Italian. Remember, this is your dish. Make it your own. A recipe is only a guide. You can add whatever you like and take away whatever you like, whatever you don't like. All right. And we're going to add half now, and we're going to save some of this beautiful dressing for when it comes out. Okay, so now, whoops, making a mess. We're simply going to get some half of this onto our meat. Oh, I guess I'm going to have to make some more, so I'm just going to put it all on there. So I want it to get all around the sides. Okay, she's beautiful already. We're simply going to take our slow cooker, and this is our insert. It has nothing in it. Okay, we're not going to add any water, any liquids. Okay, we're going to take our meatloaf that's in our loaf pan, and we're just going to set it right inside of that sleeve, just like that. We're going to set this to 4 hours for high, because this is for our dinner today. So we're going to set it for 4 hours on high. Now, if this was for an overnight cook, I would put it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Our meatloaf is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's give you a peek in there. Here's our meatloaf. So you want to carefully remove your loaf pan. And as you can see, we have oil that has collected here while it cooked. So we're just going to pour this oil off. And we're going to let our meatloaf rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before we cut into it. So you want to carefully remove your meatloaf from your loaf pan. And yes, we had quite a bit of shrinkage from this meatloaf. However, we're only working with 1.5 pounds of meat. But it is oh so juicy. I hope you have enjoyed the video this far. If so, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. So I went ahead and made up some more sauce, and we're just going to ladle that sauce right across our meatloaf. Guys, I invite you to drop me some comments down below. Let me know if you tried this recipe. It is quick and easy. It'll help you in the kitchen greatly. And just like that, our dinner is ready. I went ahead and prepared some mashed potatoes. So we're going to have mashed potatoes and meatloaf tonight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.